Protecting your precious little one. The importance of vaccinations. Bringing a new life into the world is a joyous occasion filled with love, hope, and a profound sense of responsibility. As parents, we strive to provide our children with the best possible start in life, and ensuring their health and well-being is paramount. One of the most crucial steps we can take in safeguarding our baby's health is through vaccination. Vaccines are among the most successful public health interventions in history, saving millions of lives and preventing countless cases of serious illness. They are a cornerstone of preventive healthcare, protecting infants, children, and adults from a range of potentially life-threatening diseases. For newborns and infants whose immune systems are still developing, vaccinations are particularly critical. In the early months of life, babies are most vulnerable to infections. Their immune systems are still learning to recognize and fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Vaccinations act as a crucial shield, providing them with the necessary defenses to ward off these threats before they can cause harm. By vaccinating our children, we not only protect them from serious diseases, but also contribute to the health of our communities. Vaccines work by creating something called herd immunity. When a significant portion of the population is immunized, it becomes difficult for diseases to spread, protecting those who are unable to receive vaccines due to medical reasons. Building tiny defenses, how vaccines work. Vaccines work by mimicking the natural infection process without actually causing the illness. They contain weakened or inactive parts of a germ, like a virus or bacteria. This is enough for the body's immune system to recognize the threat and develop antibodies to fight it off. Think of it like showing your baby's immune system a wanted poster of a germ. The immune system then knows what to look for and is prepared to fight it off if it ever encounters the real thing. These antibodies act like little soldiers, ready to defend the body against future encounters with the actual disease-causing germ. The beauty of vaccines is that they provide this protection without your child having to experience the actual illness. This means no suffering through the often severe symptoms associated with vaccine-preventable diseases such as high fever, cough, rashes, hospitalization, or even long-term health complications. It's important to remember that vaccines undergo rigorous testing and safety protocols before they are made available to the public. The development and approval process for vaccines is one of the most stringent in the world, ensuring that only safe and effective vaccines reach your child. A shield for every threat. Key vaccines in the first year. During the first year of life, babies receive vaccines that protect them against a number of serious diseases. These vaccines are grouped into a recommended schedule to provide optimal protection at the most vulnerable stages of development. Here are some of the key vaccines your baby will receive in their first year. Hepatitis B, Hep B, protects against the hepatitis B virus, which can cause liver damage and cancer. Rotavirus, RV, protects against rotavirus, a common cause of severe diarrhea, vomiting and dehydration in infants and young children. Diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis, DTP, protects against 3 serious diseases: diphtheria, a serious throat infection; tetanus, also known as lockjaw; and pertussis, whooping cough. Haemophilus influenza type B, Hib, protects against Haemophilus influenzae type B bacteria, which can cause meningitis, pneumonia, and other serious infections. Pneumococcal conjugate, PCV13, protects against pneumococcal disease, which can cause pneumonia, ear infections, and meningitis. Inactivated poliovirus, IPV, protects against polio, a virus that can cause paralysis and even death. Influenza, flu, protects against the flu virus, which can cause fever, cough, body aches, and other complications. Each of these vaccines plays a crucial role in protecting your baby from potentially life-threatening diseases. The recommended schedule is designed to provide immunity at the times when your baby is most vulnerable. Your baby's vaccination journey, the recommended schedule. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, in consultation with leading medical experts, has developed a recommended immunization schedule for infants and children in the United States. This schedule outlines the ideal timing for each vaccine to ensure optimal protection. The schedule is designed to provide immunity early in life, before babies are likely to be exposed to these diseases. It also spaces out the vaccines to minimize the chance of side effects and maximize their effectiveness. While the recommended schedule serves as a guide, your pediatrician may adjust it slightly based on your baby's individual health needs and any specific circumstances.